Alright, this video is a heads up for all the guys who received our Lathe burnishing tool. You see it here? Let me put this, them are the breadcrumbs up there, you know that routine. I'm going to move it up a little. Our Lathe burnishing tool dimensions are 3/4 by 3/4 by 6. I designed it using a tool holder from a lathe that we have in our shop, which is about a 14-inch lathe. Took the holder out, measured it up, measured all the dimensions, and designed the burnishing tool to fit into it. That's how I came up with that size. And that happens to be standard sizes. 3/4 by 3/4 is not hard to achieve. Alright? But since then, we had a lot on back order, and we shipped a shitload of them. Now they're all arriving at the recipients, right? The recipients have them, but they don't have. I figured that everybody has the same 14-inch BXA tool holder. You know, that's stupid on my part. Anyways, so I'm going to show you the problems, the possible problems, and how to solve them. I learned a lot this weekend. A couple of guys used my breadcrumbs up here. They got to me via email and phone, and I learned a bunch of shit from them. All right? Let me go up here. You see this? It says ready for prime time, question mark. Yes, it is ready for prime time. How do I know? I used it when I designed and built one. It works real good. But there was a lot of things I didn't know that I learned this weekend from the guys who own them. Alright, let me go up a little higher. See all these question marks? Here's what I'm talking. Wedge type, wedge type, wedge type, not a piston type body, alright? Just wanted to find that. I don't know shit about the piston type. I learned that an AXA is the smallest tool post. Next step up, BXA. Next step up, CXA. You know, they go from the smallest and they work their way up. There are all kinds of ways to define the tool post. Them are the only 3 ways I learned about, all right? So, anyway, some guy I got in touch with me, and he wants to put my 3/4 by 3/4 by 6-inch burnishing tool and then an AXA holder, which it wasn't designed for. So we talked about milling this and machining that, and then as a result, he showed me that he could buy an AXA tool holder for a 3/4 inch tool. A miracle, right? The price was $35. It was some eBay source, right? Alright? Anyways, here's a picture of it on the left. Alright? Alright, now moving on quickly, another source had a BXA tool holder that our lathe burnishing tool wouldn't fit. Right? Same scenario, right? I told him what I learned about the AXA and how you could buy a bigger one. He went online and got a couple of choices, both the same. You see this here? 250-2 201 XL. I'm sure the XL means extra large. This is a Shaw's holder. Alright? Let me go down. With the holder, you see what I'm showing you? You're not familiar with the Shaw's drawings. You see that red circle? It's 3/4 of an inch. So it shows it'll take it. Alright? Now let's go down. The guy he knew of that. Now he's going to show me one he bought from Amazon. You see this here? I took my AXA, I got one, and I measured it, and measures like this. So I feel pretty comfortable that when it comes in, it'll fit. Here's how you find it. I keyed in right on my computer, Amazon 250-201XL. The price was $24.95. Alright? It's got a 3/4 inch cubic capacity. There's the size right there. So what I'm saying is, I spent almost all weekend going back and forth to learn these little tidbits. I'm giving you guys a heads up if you have the same problem. If you look at this video, it may save you and me a lot of talking and emailing. All right, but now I'm out. That's my heads up.